KNK Technology, Dongguan Company Limited was established in 2024. It is specializing in the research and development, production, sales, and service of linear modules, linear guides, electric push cylinders, circulating conveyor module, linear motor module, and PPU manipulator. It is also a specialized, refined, and innovative enterprise. The core values of the company are self-cultivation, achievement, duty, and innovation. Daily output can reach 2,000 sets, sufficient inventory, spot seconds, customized 3 days can be sent. 23 years experience in the field of automation R&D engineering team 1-to-1 design solutions. Our company is located in Human Town, Dongguan City, an industrial hub in Guangdong Province, covering an area of over 5,000 square meters with convenient transportation. Our company has highly advanced technical talents and a high-quality work team, providing customers with professional technical consultation and comprehensive after-sales service, and being able to discuss customer needs at any time to ensure customer satisfaction. In addition, we have also obtained quality management system standards. Our products are not only popular in various provinces and cities in China, but also exported to various countries and regions, including Japan, Germany, Russia, and other countries or regions. Whether your company selects a product from our existing catalog or seeks assistance in engineering applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center at any time and inform us of your purchasing requirements.